Ako po si Paolo Daet, Subli Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 14 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Phase tank. EVR naka 220 volts. Inks namin, ito po yung used and ito po yung unused. And yung sub-reroll. Consumable monitoring ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and sub-reroll. Subli daily output record. Subli daily checklist.